MCAs mag od bura ma Kericho gikone oyie mar keto kwe kindgi bang' jalup jatend Kenya Rigathi Gachagua loso kodgi kaka jathek.
Jod bura go osebedo ka yware gi ywaruok ma kinde ka kinde ka tinende ni ne en tulo manyocho muoch ka gilaro telo mar od burano.
MCAs go nyocho makore sati wirane gi onyruok mar paro ka Gachagua okone MCAs ondo mi oket kwe kindgi kendo keto lwasi maber mar dongruok.
Jotelo go duto oyie mar keto kwe.
And in a meeting it was agreed that the following positions be contested and leadership established: the leader of majority, the deputy leader of majority, the majority chief whip, and the majority and the deputy majority chief whip. The following members were elected for the above positions. The majority leader will be the Honorable Philip Rono. The deputy majority leader will be Honorable Fancy Chepkoril Koril. The majority whip will be the Honorable Aaron Rotich. And the deputy majority whip will be Bavina Serem. These are minutes that have been so recorded by the party Secretary General, Senator Veronica Maina, and subsequently the Speaker of the County Assembly of Kericho will convene immediately a special sitting to formalize these appointments so that the County Assembly gets settled and work can begin in earnest to embark on the economic transformation of the great county of Kericho.